Carlos Sosa imports tech parts to be assembled in electronics in Mexico. He brings 99% of those goods from China through the U.S., but he is skeptical about the potential changes to the free trade agreement.
En el momento en que se quite o se modifique el Tratado de Libre Comercio,
the minute the free trade accord is modified, we can expect to pay about 10 to 20% taxes over the Chinese products we intend to bring through the United States.
Sosa is one of the dozens of local entrepreneurs that looks into companies like Alzagi, a Mexican firm that has been importing a monthly average of 100 tons of merchandise from China over the last 2 years.
We
have a business partner over there. They audit the local companies, supervise the quality control, and get the permits required to complete the shipping operation departing mostly from Ningbo and Guangzhou's ports.
Last month, the White House notified the U.S. Congress of its intent of beginning the renegotiation of the North American Free Trade Agreement with Mexico and Canada. The talks are expected to begin in August. Meanwhile, Mexico's presidential election is scheduled for July 2018, which could mean new changes for a revised agreement. With the NAFTA renegotiations pending, many Mexican businesses are hiring companies to facilitate the import process so they can avoid bringing the products through the U.S. One financial analyst explained that the existence of companies like Alzagi will benefit the local economy, but says there is more work to do to generate a fair commercial exchange between the two countries, one of them being the investment on the infrastructure needed to support the big demand of Chinese goods entering through Michoacán's Lázaro Cárdenas port.
It will be beneficial to let China invest in Mexico to complement those imports, for instance, in the manufacturing process, so the local industry can gain a bigger impact on the creation of jobs.
According to the Foreign Ministry office, Mexico's imports from China amount to nearly $70 billion. The government says they're looking to achieve greater trade balance by increasing their exports to the Asian nation. Daniel Alfonso, CGTN, Mexico City.